Hi. So today what we're going to do, we're going to look at these glitter projects. This is what my 7/8s did for their Christmas presents for their parents. It's just glitter and glue, but some people have asked how I did them, so I'm going to do them. So here we have a wreath, a candy cane, and a tree. Today we're going to do a wreath again. So I'm just going to take these out. You can see the nice and glittery there. All right. And so there is my wreath. I've got two circles on here for my wreath. All you do for this is, so I'm just gonna have a piece of paper there to collect the glitter afterwards. You can do this all in one process. My 7/8s did them all, one color after another. So what I'm doing is I'm putting fairly big circles. This is a small one. They did 5x7s. We're gonna do fairly big circles of glue. They basically draw, make sure they don't drop the paint, but draw the circles. They don't have to be perfect. And we're going to start with our greens, just so we have a base for a wreath. Okay, so I also taught them how to not do all over the place. So tap, 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 tap. So each individual in here. Takes a lot of patience, and they did it, which is good. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, so we start with the green, dark green. I lift this off, I'm going to get rid of it. And every time they had to put it back into the jar themselves. Okay, next I'm going to go with a lighter green. Same size dots. And if they choose to do blues or whatever, they can do whatever colors they want. But, you know, these are green, so I decided they probably should do green. Okay, it's the same process. Tap, tap, tap. Again, get rid of the next color. Tap, tap, tap. All right, and make sure they put the glitter back. All right, start to getting smaller sections here, so we can start adding different colors in here. I have done some like 12x12s, some 8x10s. Okay, and maybe I'll choose, I'll go with red this time. I'll take a one up here. And get rid of your excess. Okay, the color. Okay, and you can start using these ones. Gold. Okay, so, and just add a bow. Thanks.